Hi girls. Okay, so very quick task for this week. I want you to type out a new Excel sheet. So again, you'll just go into your Microsoft account, click on Excel, open up a new worksheet and enter in this data here. Okay. Then what I want you to do is I want you to select column C by clicking on C and turning it into short date. Okay. Then I want you to take section E and turn it into currency. I want you to turn section or column G into currency and column I into currency. Okay, because they're all of the prices. Okay, and column H. So what we're going to do is we're going to calculate the total that Claire Kavanagh spent in the shop. Then we're going to give her a discount and calculate the new total. Okay, so just have a quick think before I tell you how to do it. How would you find the total of the book that she was €30 and she bought 6 of them? So how would you find the total? Yeah, you'd multiply. So again, you're entering in a formula. So you're going to go equals cell, multiply, and remember the multiply is the little press enter. Okay, total. Fill down by selecting and dragging and Control D, and that brings your formula all the way down. Now we're going to give everybody a discount of €4. So how would I find out what she is actually going to, not much of a discount, but how am I going to find out what she's going to pay? Again, it would be the subtotal minus the discount. So here would be another formula, and it would be this one, and it would be the total minus the discount. New total, fill down. The last thing I want you to do is find the total sales. So I want you to find the total sales before the discount and the total sales after the discount. The total sales before the discount would just be a sum of all of these. So we can use our and again our offer sum feature to find the extra total that we made that day. Okay, that's your task for this week. I'll see you on Friday.